What's up guys, Andy from Grease Garage here. Today we're going to be tearing out the interior of the boat to see what we have to work with, and then I can get to those gas tanks so I can clean those out. So let's not waste any time and let's get to it. Oh yeah, one more thing. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now that we have most of the interior out, we can take a good look at what we got going on here. So it looks like the steering cable and the throttle cables are still there, so that's good. I'm also going to be cleaning the bilge area and repainting everything before I install the engines. So there's a total of 3 gas tanks in the boat. There's 2 that run on the sides. There's one right here, and then there's another on the opposite side right here. And then there's a gas tank that runs in the middle underneath the floor here. Also, it looks like I might need to replace this piece of wood that runs along here in between. Looks like it rotted out a little bit, but I'll check that out after I clean everything up. Anyway, I'm going to get back to taking these side panels out and then vacuum everything up. Let's get to it. Alright, so I finally picked up the engines that I'm going to be installing in this boat for now until I can find some nice big blocks to throw in there. So in these upcoming videos, I'm going to be cleaning these up, doing some maintenance on them, and getting them started before installing them in the boat. So don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on these upcoming videos.